everyone, it's Heather's Plushies and I'm back with another video. So let's get these out of the package. I believe they are my two sharks that I ordered from AliExpress. And I don't know if you've seen one of my other videos. I did order one shark from AliExpress already, and I ordered two more. Let's see if both of them are in here, or if they are sending them separately. That's one of them. This is the other one. They did both. So, wow. Really scrunched up in the packages. So anyways, this one is the Frilled shark. Oh my gosh! He came flying at me. Oh my gosh, he's so cool. Guys, look at those eyes. That's one of the reasons why I really wanted him. His mouth looks cheaper than it did in the picture. Okay. And then this one is the Megamouth shark. So let's get the Megamouth shark out of his package. It just comes flying out. And here's the Megamouth shark. Look at his mouth. You can tell why he's called the Megamouth shark. They are both from the brand Soft Time Toy Collectors. They're basically, because I seen that Colorado makes these. They're basically knockoffs of Colorado plushies. So, I don't know how you guys feel about knockoffs. I'm not a huge fan of knockoffs myself, but sometimes you have to do what you have to do. I mean, Colorado plushies are very expensive. So, this was the only way I could get my hands on them. So, yeah. It's hard to tell which one I like better. Of course, both of them are cool looking, but like the Frilled shark is just so cool. Whoa! How'd they do that with his gills? Anyways, this video is about to end up in 3 minutes. So, but I'm not a big fan of his teeth. But anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.